can't hear WhatsApp voice messages? Or the other person says they can't hear your voice notes? This issue is super common, and in this video, we'll fix it step by step. Let's go. 1. Check volume. First, make sure your phone's volume is up and not muted. If you can't hear voice messages, this is the first thing to double check. 2. Fix microphone permission. Now long press the WhatsApp icon and tap App Info. Go to Permissions, then Microphone. Set it to allow only while using the app. If it's already on, turn it off, exit, then turn it on again. This refreshes the permission and fixes most voice issues. 3. Clear cache. In the same App Info page, go to Storage. Tap Clear Cache. Don't worry, this won't delete your chats. 4. Update WhatsApp. Open the Play Store, search for WhatsApp, and update it if there's an update available. Old versions have bugs. 5. Check Bluetooth. Sometimes audio plays through a connected Bluetooth device like earbuds or a speaker. Turn Bluetooth off and test the voice message again. And that's it. These fixes should solve WhatsApp voice message problems completely. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. See you in the next one.